Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to move your website from Wix to Google Sites. Whether you want a simple setup or need your site to match new goals, we are here to help. Let's get started. First of all, this tutorial is about manually transferring and not automatic conversion. On opening the Wix dashboard, we see that there is no automatic way to move a site from Wix to Google Sites. All we need to do this is by manually copying your Wix to your Google site. We can copy and paste the text, download images, and rebuild each page in the Google Sites editor. There is no automatic transfer, but we can do it step by step. But we can connect the domain to Google. We can move the domain by going to the settings. In Settings, scroll to the Domains section. Here, you can connect your domain to your new site. For hosting, you can keep the domain registered at Wix and update the DNS settings. If you need to move email and you use Google Workspace through Wix, you can transfer it to Google. But it is an irreversible action. After copying all the details to your site and finishing the steps in Google Sites, your Google site is ready to use. Once you rebuild your pages and connect your domain, your site is ready to launch on Google Sites.